Hi guys, my name is Sri Pranav. Today I'm going to represent my topic traditional versus modern project management practice. Now let's look into the traditional versus modern project management practice. Now let's look into the introduction of the topic. Project management practice has evolved over time, transitioning from traditional to modern approaches. Understanding the difference between traditional and modern project management is crucial for successful project execution. This presentation will compare and contrast traditional and modern project management practices. Now let's look into the definition of the traditional project management. Traditional project management follows a linear and sequential approach. Emphasis is placed on detailed planning and the beginning of the project. The focus is on following a predetermined plan without a much flexibility. Now let's see the characteristics of traditional project management. Hierarchical system with clarity defined role and responsibilities. Emphasis on documentation and formal communication channels. Limited stakeholder involvement until project completion. Limitation of traditional project management. Lack of adaptability to changing project requirements. Limited collaboration and communication among the team members. Difficulty in responding to unexpected challenges or risks. The traditional methodology advantages and disadvantages diagram are shown here. Definition of modern project management. Modern project management emphasizes flexibility, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Agile and Scrum methodology are commonly used in modern project management. Focuses is on delivering value to stakeholders through irrelevant and increment process. Now let's look into the characteristics of modern project management. Cross-functional team with the high degree of collaboration, emphasis on for frequent communication and feedback loop, irrelevant approaches with continuous monitoring and adaptation. Here you can see the functional term diagram. Now let's look into the benefits of modern project management. Increased flexibility to adapt to changing project requirement, enhanced collaboration and communication among team members, great stakeholder involvement throughout the project lifecycle. Tools and technologies in modern project management. Project management software for task tracking and collaboration, cloud-based tools for real-time communication and document sharing, data analytics for project performance monitoring and decision making. Now let's look into the integration of traditional and modern project management. Some organizations adopt the hybrid approach combining traditional and modern practices. Leveraging the strength of both approaches can lead to more successful project outcomes. It is essential to tai- tailor project management practices to specify needs of each project. Now let's look into the conclusion. Understanding the difference between traditional and modern project management practice is essential for project success. Organization should evaluate the project requirements and choose the most suitable approach. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to stay competitive in the today's dynamic business environment. Now let's look into the difference between traditional framework and agile framework. Teams commit so early in the project before they can put their hands on. Agile framework daily stand-up meetings are held to discuss work done yesterday, plan of today, and impediments, if any. In traditional framework, heavy documentation before executing the work packages. In agile framework, agile process are highly democratic and implement a series of short and re- replicable practices. Slow and structured development process usually focuses on one-time release. In agile framework, agile is built on concept of frequent and small releases known as incremental delivery in small chunks. In traditional framework, more focuses on how than why. Agile framework focuses on why and retrospective is held at the end of each iteration or release. In traditional framework, ownership belongs only to project managers. In agile framework, the ownership are shared ownerships.